Creating a user in Onsite7 will allow you to add team members and set their roles within your company simply and easily. You'll see an allocation of the number of users allowed within your account. To create a new user, navigate to your Users section in your admin console. Then click the Add User button to open up an overlay where you can now enter your user details. Please note the required fields. These will need to be completed in order to submit your new user. You'll see a number of input field boxes and drop-downs. The input fields are all broken down into sections. For example, the User Details section will show input boxes relevant to the user account you're currently creating. We also advise you to complete the Position in Business input box, even though it's not marked as required. This information may well come in handy later if you have a number of users in your account and you want to remember who does what within your team. The Select Your User Role drop-down box is where you need to assign your new user a role that will determine what they can do within your Onsite7 system. There are 2 user roles available, and each has different permissions levels. The Admin User role will give a user permissions to access everything in the system. This will typically be an admin user, director, office manager, or anyone to whom you want to give high-level permissions to enable them to access the back-end office management system, your admin console. The Onsite User role will be typically given to a tradesman, contractor, an engineer, or even yourself if you're a one-man band. These users will only have access to the Onsite7 app, which will allow them to edit jobs and see customers. They'll not be able to create jobs or customers. You will see a Jobs section in the User Account screen. This is where you'll be able to see a list of jobs once they've been created and assigned to this user. When you first create a user, they'll obviously not have any jobs assigned to them, therefore this section will be blank. To add and save your new user, simply click Submit once you have completed all of the required input fields. You can also edit a user to alter any of the information at any time. This capability is deliberately kept as flexible as possible for your use in the future. It can be useful here to see the list of jobs that a particular user has assigned to them under their Jobs section. You'll be able to click and access any of the jobs filed under a user. Clicking on a job will take you to the Job Information and Edit screen.